In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Box. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the document you want to connect to Box, then click Edit. In the document editor, click the Settings tab at the top. From the left-hand menu, select Integrations. Use the search bar to find Box, then select the Box integration. Click Authenticate and sign in to your Box account. Follow the prompts to authorize Jotform Sign to access your Box storage. After the connection is complete, choose the Box folder where you want your signed documents to be saved. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. If needed, configure any available metadata mappings so information such as the signer's name or submission date is included with your saved files. When you're finished, click Save or Finish to complete the integration. From now on, every time your document is signed, Jotform Sign will automatically save it to your selected Box folder. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Box. Thanks for watching.